Soon I will start a Google Ads campaign for real estate. Can anyone guide me with what strategy should I follow and which type of campaign should I run? Search, display, etc. All right. So real estate or realtors is usually a localized campaign, maybe 5 mile radius around where you are or 10 mile radius, depends on how far you go out. It will not be at state level or city level if you're in a big city, and forget the national level unless you have got a national you are a national company. So most realtors and real estate is all localized. Any business which is a local business, dentist, plumbers, restaurants, opticians, anyone, right? For local businesses, you need to hit your customers at as many touch points as possible to build up that brand. Because I may not need a dentist today, but tomorrow I might require. I don't want to go to a restaurant this week, but I may possibly look to go out to eat in the next few weeks or so. I'm not looking to sell my house today, but I may be looking to sell my house in the near future. So these are the things which you want to do, is to build up your brand in such a way that your conversions happens over here and not on the website. So when I am ready to make that purchase or sell the house or whatever, go out to eat, the first name which pops up in my head is your company's name. So for that, you need to run search, display, video. Very few companies use video as a brand building, not only for brand building, but also for direct conversions with strong call to action to come to the website and check you out. Again, me going live and me uploading videos on a regular basis is building up my brand equity. And it doesn't happen overnight. It happens over a period of time. And you've got to be consistent and just let it run. Don't run it for 2 weeks and say, oh, I'm losing money. You've got to allocate certain budget, and then you just keep at it and keep improving it, and you'll find that you are growing and your brand is building. The way to keep track of your brand equity is whether it's growing or not is go into your analytics, look at your direct traffic, look at your brand traffic, and see how many people are coming to your website, because then they'll go to Google and search for your brand name, and your organic, if you've got your organic presence or your SEO dialed in, you will get that click. And the other thing which I would highly recommend is, and not many people do this, is build and create a brand campaign always. Because as you start running ads, people are going to search, and you want to take the top spot, not let your competitors steal that real estate from you at the top.